Dear friends, welcome to Aroma at Usha. Today I am going to prepare a gluten-free, very healthy and nutritious recipe ragi roti, otherwise known as chapati, along with the spicy and tangy side dish, that is fire roasted onion chutney. This chapati is very soft. Also, it can be folded. See how it looks inside. Ragi is known as a finger millet in English. Now let's see how to prepare this recipe. For this, take 1 cup of water in a vessel. Switch on the flame. Add required amount of salt. I am using rock salt. Give a stir. Let the water come to boil. As soon as water comes to boil, switch off the flame. Immediately after switching off the flame, add 1 cup of ragi flour to the hot water. Measure the ragi flour in the same cup in which you measured the water. Add ragi flour little by little and mix it. The ragi flour and water must be in the ratio 1:1. I have used 200 ml cup for measurement. The water must be hot while adding the ragi flour. Now I have mixed everything. Let it cool down. Now it has cooled down. Knead it well to form a stiff dough. The dough must not be sticky. If you find it sticky, add little amount of ragi flour and once again knead it. If you touch with your hands, it will not stick to your fingers. Also, it is very stiff now. Form balls out of this dough of equal size and roll each ball into chapatis using rolling pin. Now sprinkle some ragi flour. Place one ball over it. Now sprinkle little amount of ragi flour. And roll it using a rolling pin. While rolling, roll it gently. Don't press it. Roll it into thin sheets. If you want to shape it using any vessel or any lid of a vessel. I want to make it into thin sheet, so again I am spreading it. Now it's done. I am showing for another one ball. Be careful while rolling using rolling pin. Roll it gently. I got 4 chapatis with the flour which I used. Now heat a tawa and smear oil. Now place the chapati sheets. Now press the top of chapati with oil. When one side is cooked, flip it and cook the other side. Now it has started to puff up. It's ready. Remove from the tawa. Repeat the process for the next chapati sheets also. Now I'm going to prepare a spicy and tangy chutney for this chapati. For this I have placed a grill on a flame, and I have taken 5 numbers of small onion, otherwise known as shallots, and I am going to place it over the grill. You can even use the large onion. Now I am going to fire roast 3 garlic cloves and 1 or 2 red chilies. I'm not going to fire roast it completely because I need the raw smell of the onion and garlic also, along with the burnt smell. I have taken out the red chilies because it's already roasted. Now I am slightly increasing the flame. Now it's done. Switch off the flame. Now I have taken the small onion, garlic cloves and red chilies, and now I'm going to put it in water to remove the charred portions. Now I'm going to add everything in a mixer jar. Now I'm going to add little amount of salt, add small piece of tamarind, add little amount of curry leaves, add little amount of water, blend it into paste. Spicy and tangy onion chutney for this ragi roti is ready. Try this healthy and nutritious ragi roti along with this chutney and give your feedback. Thanks for watching this video. I have given the ingredients for your reference. If required, please watch it.